since I do this ASMR unboxing, so hopefully you guys like it. So my wife purchased 2 pair of these shoes. I guess it's from Nordstrom. So I hope she got a good deal on this pair. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this shoes company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it with the ASMR style and check it out. I'm just gonna use my fingernail to pry open this plastic protective. There's an invoice on the front. I need to tear this out. So this is the JOURNEE. You could also scan the QR code if you want to find out more information. This one is the Aisha chocolate, size A medium. They all have this cancer warning now. Everything causes cancer. If everything causes cancer, why are you making it so you could poison us or what? You have the JOURNEE on this tissue paper. Got the shoes dust bag. With a shoes tree. Nice padding around for the insole. And so around the shoes box or the toe box area, padded as well. It says fit, comfort plus motion. Nice stitching. Yeah, I don't see any flaw. And this is another side. Sound like a plastic. So the shoes made in China. Go and then check out the second pair. I use a scissor. So this one is JOURNEE as well. And this one is the Gladi 10 color. A medium. Yeah, you can tell right here there's no stick. So somebody went through this pair already. And it's supposed to go in the front, I guess. So somebody messed around with the buckle already, adjustment. So this one's pretty padded around the top box. Yeah, I'm not sure was that glue or what. And this is elastic. There's no dust bag. But this has dust bag with the. So the stick is right here. So there's a wrapper right here for the buckle so it doesn't get scratched out. Oh, so this is to protect, to make the strap stands out. See? Well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always.